Hello students, in today's video I will be discussing few properties of inverse trigonometric function, which is a part 3 in this series. So first property is having two parts here. So a part is like tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where xy is less than 1. And if I will write here the b property, that is to be tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, and where xy must be greater than minus 1. So I am going to prove this a property here. For this purpose I am considering tan inverse x is theta, tan inverse y is phi. Ultimately x is tan theta and y is tan of phi. As we know, the formula of tan theta plus phi is equal to tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta tan phi, or it may be written tan theta plus phi is, it is like, here from I can write it x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Ultimately theta plus phi is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, or it is like tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this was to be proved. Thereafter I will be proving this b part. So here again my consideration is the same. I mean to say, here I am taking tan inverse x is theta, tan inverse y is phi, or x is tan theta, y is tan phi. And as we know the formula, tan theta minus phi is tan theta minus tan phi upon 1 plus tan theta into tan phi. Ultimately tan theta minus phi, here from I will utilize the values, so that is x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So the next step will be theta minus phi is tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Ultimately tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So in such a way I have proved the second property as well. Thereafter another property I am going to talk about. In this property I will be proving three conditions. I mean to say, this particular property has three parts. First is like, we have to prove 2 tan inverse x is sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, where mod of x is less than or equal to 1. B part is here, that is 2 tan inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, where x is greater equal to 0. C part. 2 of tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, where x is between -1 to 1. So I will be proving this A part firstly. For this purpose, I am taking tan inverse x is y or x is tan of y. This particular RHS also I can deal here. Sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now what I will be doing here, I will utilize the value of x here. So that is 2 tan y upon 1 plus tan square y, or it is sine inverse of 2 tan y and 1 plus tan square y. This is equal to actually sine of 2y. Ultimately 2y or 2 into tan inverse x. So this was the required term, that sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Thereafter, if I will talk about the B part here in this property, so my consideration is the same. Tan inverse x is y, so x is tan of y. I am taking this RHS here, so that is cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. That is cos inverse of 1 minus x is tan y is our consideration. X, so 1 minus tan inverse 1 minus tan square y upon 1 plus tan square y, and we know this formula is equal to cosine of 2y, that is equal to 2y, or that is y twice y means twice tan inverse x. So this particular property is also proved. Thereafter, the C property is here. For C property, our proof will be like, consideration is same, that is let tan inverse x is y or x is tan of y. I am taking the RHS here, that is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, that is tan inverse of 2 tan y upon 1 minus tan square y, that is tan inverse of tan of 2y, that is twice y, or that is 2 into tan inverse x. Ultimately this value is equal to this value. So in such a way, so many properties are discussed in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.